Hey everyone, in the video, we're excited to discuss the latest offerings from LG, specifically the LG Gram Pro 2024 laptops, which are now available for pre-order. These laptops come equipped with Intel Core Ultra CPUs, promising powerful performance for a variety of tasks. LG has made waves in the tech world with the announcement of its latest lineup of LG Gram Pro and LG Gram Pro 2-in-1 laptops, which are now available for pre-order starting February 21 until March 10, 2024. These new offerings from LG promise to deliver exceptional performance, coupled with sleek portable appearances, catering to the needs of both professionals and creatives. The flagship LG Gram Pro series boasts the latest Intel Core Ultra processors and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics, ensuring top-notch performance for a variety of tasks, from intensive multitasking to graphics-heavy workloads. With these powerful components under the hood, users can expect seamless performance and enhanced productivity. During the pre-order period, LG is enticing customers with attractive deals. Customers can avail themselves of the 32GB RAM and 2TB SSD versions for the price of the 16GB RAM and 1TB SSD models, effectively doubling the memory and storage capacity at no extra cost. Additionally, LG is throwing in a complimentary LG Gram+view IPS portable monitor and free expedited shipping, further sweetening the deal for potential customers. The pricing for the LG Gram Pro series starts at $1,899 for models without the RTX 3050, offering a range of options to suit different budgets and preferences. The top-tier Pro 17 RTX model is priced at $2,499, catering to users who demand the highest level of performance and capabilities from their laptops. Key features of the LG Gram Pro series include Thunderbolt 4 and HDMI ports for extensive connectivity options, ensuring users can easily connect their peripherals and external displays. The 16-inch model also boasts a WQXGA resolution OLED display, delivering stunning visuals with vibrant colors and sharp details. The LG Gram Pro 2-in-1 stands out as a versatile choice, offering a 360-degree hinge, touchscreen functionality, and a wirelessly chargeable pen. This convertible laptop has been celebrated as the lightest 16-inch convertible laptop by the Guinness World Records, making it an ideal option for professionals and creatives who value portability without compromising performance. The LG Gram Pro 2-in-1 has garnered accolades, including a CES 2024 Innovation Award and a listing in the Guinness World Records as the lightest 16-inch 2-in-1 laptop, reaffirming LG's commitment to pushing the boundaries of innovation in the laptop market. In related news, LG has also introduced its UltraQ OLED 27GS95QE monitor in the US and Canadian markets. This monitor features a 26.5-inch OLED panel with 2K resolution, a 240Hz refresh rate, and a lightning-fast 0.03 ms GTG response time, providing gamers and content creators with an immersive and responsive viewing experience. With its latest offerings, LG continues to raise the bar in the laptop and monitor markets, offering cutting-edge technology and innovative features to meet the diverse needs of modern consumers. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video discussing the exciting new LG Gram Pro 2024 laptops. We hope you found the information provided insightful and helpful in understanding the features and capabilities of these innovative devices. In the meantime, we wish you a wonderful day ahead and extend our blessings for your well-being. Thank you again for watching, and may God bless you abundantly.